We found that a lot of homeowners, especially ones who have never been through this process before, really struggle with what to do. What do I do first? What do I do next? Do I have insurance damage? Is my insurance going to cover what's going on with my roof? I don't know if my age of my roof has anything to do with the storm damage that just took place. And so what we felt was we needed to create a position to where we had someone who is extremely experienced and knowledgeable in the insurance claim arena. And so we created our insurance viability specialist position. And this person, again, is well versed with both roofing and with insurance claims. And so what she does is she has the ability to evaluate your entire situation. Take a look at the damage, take a look at the condition of the roof, the age of the roof, the type of system it is, and then just kind of evaluate, is this something that is claim worthy? Should you proceed forward with contacting your insurance company? We'll also give you an honest assessment. This isn't really something that should be covered, or we believe in our experience is going to be covered by your insurance company. This is something that is just age related, or is from any other means, damage from something else, or maybe poor ventilation, or, things of that nature. And so, the whole mindset behind that is just to help answer these types of questions for the property owner. And so what we would recommend is contact ourselves first, so that we can go out and take a look at everything, assess everything, and then sort of give you a plan of action moving forward, what we believe your next best step should be.